Hello, students from CV3, classmates, and Miss Juanita. My name is José Pablo Romero, and in this video and this YouTube post, I will talk about if have humans lost connection to nature. Well, as this is a question topic, I will give my idea and opinions based on the questions that are assigned in the Facebook channel. Well, first of all, uh, the bigger the nature deficit, uh, the more out of balance with the life force of natural world you are. Well, and considering that all living things are connected by the life force of the nature, and if you imagine uh, in the last decades, humans are disconnected from nature by the way that civilization is growing, and also urban life have a potential and increasingly rates in the last years. As an example, uh, Tokyo City, New York City, and cities that are highly populated. Uh, every day, the population and young citizens are disconnected from nature. And well, as you can imagine, uh, in my personal opinion, I, I prefer urban uh, urban life, but in my case, I have been living in nature zones since I was little, and so do I. I really prefer the urban life by the way that there are many opportunities in the economic aspects and in generating ideas or promoting solutions to the world. But in the other hand, there are certain things that have a decline in this aspect. And well, urban life also provokes more contamination. And if you see the countries that are first world class are the countries that produce more wastes in things that they don't doesn't need. And well, also the pollution is is connected with these causes, and well, also affected. And if you see, there are always methods of mitigating the problems that are causing the high demand on cities. And well, I prefer urban life, as I said, by the way that there are many opportunities and things that we can have solution to the bigger problems that are in the other hand, that are the nature life and the wildlife. And well, the benefits of living in a city is to having more opportunities and technology in every situation. uh, well, away from it is very difficult to have solutions by the fact that if you are lost in the woods, for example, you cannot be successful in restricted areas of nature by the way that there's not connection within. And well, urbanism can be stopped by the way that even more the years have passed, uh, citizens tend to go to nature, to rural areas that stay away from the city life. That also citizens tend citizens tend to have a calm life and to be in peace with them. So they tend to go to parts that are surrounded by wildlife or nature, but in the other hand is very expensive. And well, there are many ways to stop urbanism by the way that if a country can, okay, we can have a country or city that is very that is highly populated, but we can also have a solutions to plant more trees, to have green areas, to lower the rates of gases emissions and things like that. And well, this connection can be promoted by humans. Humans have the decision to the solutions. And well, and if we cause a problem, we also have to have a solution to these things. And well, the thing is that the country has their limits. The world has their limits, sorry. And this limit is also it's also leading to the end by the way that the high amounts of carbon dioxide that is not consumed by plants, it's well, then it will be affected by humans by the way that they're damaging the life and ourselves. Well, and things like that. Many studies have been reflecting and have shown that there are certain things that affect nature, and if the planet, most of all, we have to reconnect with nature and to teach the young population that is having a crescent demand by the way that we must uh, teach them to handle the problems that we are causing in life. So well, the problem is that the connection that we have in ourselves uh, are distracted by technology and things that we see like a a really good thing, but in the at the large stages they are not uh, simply they are not experiencing things that are correct. And well, as you can see, this is my opinion about that humans definitely are losing connection with nature by the way that there are high demands in technology things, and that the world every day and the young population is being orientated to consumption and to urbanisms, that no one want to live in the nature by the fact that there is no technology, and we live in an area of technology. And well, as you can see, uh, we must force the young population that are our best solution and best way to to avoid the degradation of our planet Earth, that we must help them in every aspect. Well, this is my YouTube video, and here is my bibliography presented. Thanks for watching this video.